Welcome back to my channel. How are you all, dear viewers? Today we are going to study about different kinds of maps. This is a social studies geography subject current topic. So let us discuss about different kinds of map and we will look at how maps can be designed. First of all, I would like to ask you, have you ever seen this in your life? Maybe most of you have seen this in the schools, libraries, and labs. This is known as a globe. And what about this picture? I think most of you also have seen this because in your day to day life, in your school life and education institutes, we all go through such kind of maps. This is the map of India. So here, the first picture which we shared was about the globe. A globe is a small-scale, three-dimensional model of the Earth. It shows the exact shape of the Earth. It also shows the shapes of the continents and the oceans. So in a globe, we exactly know the location of the countries and how the countries are located on the globe, that is exactly same as on the earth, but only difference will be about its size. So this is a small description, we can say, of the look-alike of the earth. And this is a map. It is a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features, cities, roads, etc. So this map of India here, we can see that around it we are able to witness the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, and besides the countries located just above the Indian border are Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, etc. The border consists of China, and also near Pakistan we can see the edges which are connected to the Afghanistan. Now in the map of India we can clearly look at different types of lines drawn in between, and these lines indicate the states. So here we can see the state of Gujarat, the state of Rajasthan, and in the east we can also see Assam, West Bengal. In the north we can see Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Arunachal Pradesh. We can see in the south Kerala, and we can also see Telangana, Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu. So these are different cities, roads. This is actually a physical map showing the different features of our country, India. Now you all must have seen these types of books in your school life. These are nothing but atlas. Atlas is actually a record of maps. It consists of all different kinds of maps present in the world. So it not only contains about the India and the Indian cities and states, but it also contains all the countries that are around the world. So what is an atlas? As we have seen, it is a book of map which consists of different countries, different landscapes, different continents, different oceans, etc. So have you used it? So I think of course you would have used it in your school, and you also might also carry it in your school bag. And how is it useful? So it is actually very useful for us, because when we study about geography, when we study about history, then we want to look at the specific places with which we are concerned. So for that specific places we go to the current map or the location on the globe or as well as on the map. So one of the uses of an atlas can be, as you have seen, that to look around the places. For example, if you want to see which rivers flow through one of the states of your country, India. So if you go to the map of Gujarat, in that you clearly see the linkage between the rivers and the seas that are present over there. So this is its use. Now, there are different types of map as I discussed earlier. So which type of map can you see? This is. Over here we can see green color, yellow and brown, light brown colors, and we can also see a dark brown color in some shaded areas. So these types of maps are basically known as physical maps, which shows the physical features of the country. A physical map are designed to show the natural landscape features of the earth. They are best known for showing topography either by colors or as shaded relief. They show the physical features of an area such as mountains, deserts, water bodies and other landforms. Now this kind of map which we have seen before, so this is actually known as the physical map. The physical map contains the cities, roads, transport, everything detail of a country or any place we are looking for. So a political map. So the physical map are designed to show the natural landscape features of the earth. They are best known for showing topography, colors and are shaded so that we can see the colors if used. For example, we use the color blue for the rivers and oceans, we use the color brown for the mountains, and we use green for the grasslands. So this is actually how the physical maps are done. Now this kind of a map which we have seen earlier, this map is known as the political map. Political map shows us the states, the cities, the country capital and city or state capitals and different kinds of roads or their areas. So here a political map represents countries, states and towns. They often are painted different colors so we can see them better. This map shows names and boundaries. So these maps consist of boundaries and names. Now there are other kinds of map apart from physical and political. These are, for example, we can see vegetation grown, fruits supply, and here we can also see another map of where the coronavirus cases had been depicted in the corona period. So these kind of maps are helpful at a particular point of time. So what are these maps called? These maps are called thematic maps. And why? Because these maps are based on themes. So here thematic maps are prepared according to the requirements of necessary details. A map is used to visualize selected properties if geographic features that are not naturally visible. Examples of thematic maps include temperature, language, population, vegetation, etc. Such maps display information about a particular topic or theme by using different signs, symbols and colors. So accordingly, we can understand that thematic maps are actually maps that are prepared only for a basic or per particular reason. For example, if you want to know a place where there is a heavy rainfall or less rainfall, then we make a thematic map. And if you want to know, for example, that where wheat is grown, so those kind of maps are known as thematic maps, that are theme based maps. Now let us revise again. So the first map that we can see, the green color, it represents percentage forest cover Indian states. So these kinds of maps are known as thematic because it shows the representation of the forest cover in India. So again, it is of based on a particular theme, that is why it is known as a thematic map. Whereas the other map, which is the second picture, it is of an African country, it is of the continent Africa. In that particular map we can see all the different countries. So here we can say it is a political map, because it visualizes the different countries and different countries and different states which are present in African continent. Now, by looking at the picture, the first picture, we can guess that actually the globe which has been seen in the first picture, that has been made, uh, kept open, that is spread out like a sheet. So this is actually the world map, the world map in the form of a globe. And the second image of the map we can see, so we can guess it by just looking at the features, that this is a physical map which shows the features of the country that are divided by different kinds of color schemes that are present over there. So hope you all have enjoyed watching the video, and let us revise about the types of maps that we have studied, that is political maps, physical maps and thematic maps. And I hope that after looking at the video, you now are able to recognize different kinds of maps by the picture itself when it will be presented to you. So this is a homework time for you all. So I would like you all to do this homework and comment in the comment boxes. Write the uses of maps, which type of maps are used in showing weather reports of the world, temperature of Rajasthan, industrial areas of Tamil Nadu, plains in North India and rivers of India. So just looking at the question, you will be able to identify which type of map will be used in which different themes or different purposes. So all the best guys, and please do like and share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get new videos soon. That is for all today, and wish you all the best from the Learning Hub Tutors Point. Thank you. Goodbye.